How to log out of your account on Netflix or how to log out on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log out on Netflix. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you wish to log out, first things first, you can simply uninstall or install the application, right? There is always that option. If you don't want to do so, you can simply go ahead and clear the data of the application. Now, to log it out only to your account, if you don't want to uninstall or if you don't wish to clear your data, what you can do is you can simply open up Netflix and sign into a particular profile or log into your account. Now, if you wish to log out, then it means that you are already signed into your account. So you want to head into your particular profile and then tap on My Netflix option that you can see at the bottom right. You can see there home, games, news and hot, and at the bottom right you can see My Netflix. You want to tap on it, and here you want to tap on the hamburger at this three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, and there at the very bottom you'll be able to see the sign out option. Simply tap on sign out and you'll get signed out. So this way you can log out or sign out on Netflix. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.